analytics. It can often be a barrage of complicated and intimidating charts that take time to prepare, and if you don't have a data analyst to guide you through it, it can leave you stressed trying to understand your own data when all you want to know is where to focus your budget and who to target for your next big campaign. But what if I told you that there's a way to get that information you needed clearly, quickly, and accurately? Introducing the ADRFM reporting suite from Actually Data Analytics. We like to think of it as an analyst in a box that sorts all of your data into easy-to-understand reports that give you meaningful results in a streamlined manner. With its accessible self-service interface and powerful filters, you can fine-tune your results in just a few clicks. And thanks to its ever-growing modular design, it's the perfect solution for any sized organization. We'll even make sure that your existing CRM setup and our reporting suite become fast friends. And if you're a newcomer to the world of analytics, we'll guide you every step of the way with our comprehensive training programs. Put simply, with ADRFM, we do the thinking for you, giving you more time to make the right strategic decisions for your organization at any place, anytime. So, are you ready to join our growing list of clients and partners? Get started today by visiting actuallydataanalytics.com.